Hi friends, today I want to share you yarn count costing and calculation. It means if you have a 1 meter fabric, then how you judge what is the cost of this fabric. So let's I tell you, just follow me. If you want to find out the what is the yarn costing, then you need something like a warp yarn count, weft yarn count, how much, what is the API, PPI, what is the width of the fabric, and what is the length of the fabric. So here you are seeing I had taken the warp count 16, weft count 14, English count, API 96, PPI 50, width is 56, and fabric total length is 2 meters. So first of all, what to do, we need to know what is the weight of the warp yarn count and what is the weft yarn count. So here look at here the red line, second red line. I had mentioned now find out weight of the warp yarns. So here is one formula. Formula is EPI divided by warp count multiply fabric width multiply 0.001. So in this formula you just keep the standard what you have. Like as I want to take warp yarn count weight. So already we had taken the EPI 96, warp yarn count I had taken 16, and fabric width as you know 56 inch. So in the second red line I had put all things. After that I got one value which is 0.47 lbs. Same thing will follow for the weft yarn count weight. So formula is PPI divided by weft count multiply fabric width multiply 0.0014. So PPI I had taken 15 and weft yarn count is 14. So 15 divided by 14 multiply 56. 56 is a fabric width and multiply 0.0014. So result is came out 0.27 lbs. Now you should to know what is the price is running in the market for the 16 count and 14 count. Suppose you get the price for 16 count yarns is 120 rupees per lbs and 14 count yarns price 100 rupees per lbs. Then you multiply this standard what you got in the warp and weft. Weft you got 0.47 lbs, then multiply 0.47 into 120, then we will get 56.4 rupees. Same thing will apply in the weft. Weft what we got 0.27 lbs, then 0.27 lbs will multiply 100, and it means what 100 it is a running price for the 14 English count yarn. Then we will get 27 rupees. So now we will add 57.4 plus 27. Total it will come 83.4 rupees. Means it is price of the 2 meter fabric which having 16 into 14 yarn count and construction is 19 into 15. The width of this fabric 56 inch. Hope you understood what I elaborated to you peoples. You can easily get any fabric, any type of fabric price from this formula. Just take the screenshot. Thank you. Thank you for watching.